In Maya, you modify units by going up here to Windows, Setting, Preferences, then going to Settings and choosing your units from this menu. And if you want to display them on your object, you can also display them by going to Modify Transformation Tools and clicking Universal Manipulator, which is a great tool because it also displays your units, and you can also click on them and type another unit to modify the length of your edges, for example. If we go to Max, we can set our units up here to customization and unit setup, but it's a bit confusing because Max also has display unit scale and system unit scale. We're interested in system unit scale because this is the units that are relevant on export, and whatever you change here actually sets the units. So now it's in centimeters, but it also says centimeters here. This is also, I'm sorry, it's only for showing centimeters here after any number, as this box has. So if I go back and set my unit here in display unit scale to generic units, for example, centimeters will go away and system unit scale is still centimeters. And if I set it to US standard for the imperial system, it will just display the same boxes units with converted to feet and inches, and it didn't change the system unit because it's still in centimeters. So this is where you have to change Max's units. And in Blender, you have to go here in a little triangle, cone, sorry, to Scene, Units tab, and you change it under this menu. And you can also display them by going up here to viewport overlays, but you have to be in edit mode, and now they're enabled. But in my case, but if you want to enable them, you have to toggle these measurement boxes on, and whatever you have selected will display the unit on screen.